Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are reading about life is a series of moments from this beautiful book, The Courage to be Disliked. In the last session, we were reading about how it is so important for ourselves to be courageous enough to be normal, to not to go into two extremes to feel special. Now, today the author is talking about life is a series of moments. Let's explore what does the author have to say. All right. So the philosopher says, all right. Yeah. When you speak of lofty goals, I am guessing that you have an image of something like a mountain climber aiming for the top. Youth. Yes, that's right. People, myself included, aim for the top of the mountain. Philosopher. But if life were climbing a mountain in order to reach the top, then the greater part of the life would end up being in two. That is to say, one's real life would begin with one's trek on the mountainside, and the distance one has traveled up until that point would be a tentative life led by a tentative me. Youth. I guess that's one way of putting it. The way I am now, I am definitely an en route person, philosopher. Now, suppose you didn't make it to the hilltop, mountain top. What would that mean for your life? With accidents and diseases and the like, people don't always make it all the way. And the mountain climbing itself is a fraught with pitfalls and often ends in failure. So one's life would be interrupted en route with just the tentative me leading to a tentative life. What kind of life would that be? So you says that's mm, well, that's uh, that's be a case of getting one's just desert. So I didn't have the ability, or I didn't have the physical strength to climb the mountain, or I wasn't lucky, or I lack the skills. That's all. Yes, that is a reality I am prepared to accept. Philosopher. Adlerian psychology has different standpoint. People who think of life as being like climbing a mountain are treating their own existences as lines, as if there is a line that started the instant one came into this world, and that continues in all manners of curves of various sizes until it arrives at a summit, and then at long last reaches to a terminus, with its death. This conception, which treats life as a kind of story, is an idea that links into Freudian etiology, the attributing of cause, and is a way of thinking that makes the greater part of your life into something that is an en route. Well, what is your image of life? Philosopher. Do not treat me, do not treat it as a line. Think of life as a series of dots. If you look through the magnifying glass at a solid line drawn on with the chalk, you will discover that what you thought was a line is actually a series of small dots. Seemingly, linear existence is actually a series of dots. In other words, life is a series of movements. A series of movements, philosopher. Yes, it is a series of movements called now. We can live only in the here and now. Our lives exist only in movement. Adults who do not know this attempt to impose linear lives onto young people, their thinking is that staying on the conventional track, good university, big company, stable house, and is a happy life. But life is not made up of the lines and the anything like that. You. So there is no need for life planning or career planning. Philosopher. If life were a line, then the life planning would be possible. But our lives are only series of dots. A well-planned life is not something to be treated as a necessary or unnecessary, as it is impossible. You. Oh, nonsense. What an absurd idea. Hmm. So what I understood from this point, chapter is that life is actually a series of moments. We are we may be planning very long term, but we do not have the surety of living tomorrow. When we wake up tomorrow morning, whether we are going to wake up next morning or not, we do not know. But yes, we have plans for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, month after tomorrow, and years after tomorrow. And with the result, we forget to live right now, right here in this moment. Also, the example that has been given for the mountain, I believe that even if I reach the highest of the mountain, I will reach there and then I will again see another peak higher than that, and then I will be aiming for that. So it is rather than en route, it is actually the tentative life that we lead. When we live a tentative life, it's like aaj ka din kaisa raha. Yes, we can have a very bigger version with bigger, big, hairy, audacious goal. But then for that to be achieved, also we need to make it into smaller, and even smaller action steps so that we at least reach there. If not reaching there, at least we will be enjoying the small wins in the way, on the way. So I am absolutely in alignment with how the author is telling and the philosopher is telling that life is actually a series of moments, क्योंकि एक डॉट डॉट को मैच करके ही वो जिंदगी का एक बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. घड़ा भरा नहीं होता. बारिश आती है, बूंद बूंद गिरती है तो सागर भर जाता है. एंड लाइकवाइज जब आपका फिल्टर हो रहा होता है पानी इन द दिस आरओ सिस्टम्स, वो भी बूंद बूंद करके ही भरता है. वो ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप, इफ वी लिव आवर लाइफ डे बाय डे, मोमेंट बाय मोमेंट, we will see we will be happier, more healthier, and more content in life. Let's read another section of it as well, because this was a very short chapter. So let's go ahead with rereading Live Like You Are Dancing. Philosopher says, when the youth says, oh nonsense, what an absurd idea, the philosopher says, what is wrong with it? Youth, your argument not only denies the making of plans in life, it goes as far as to deny even making efforts. Take, for example, the life of someone who has dreamed of being a violinist ever since childhood, and who, after years of strict training, has long last become an active member of the celebrated orchestra. Or another life, one of intensive studies that successfully leads to the passing of the bar examination and become a lawyer. Neither of these lives would be possible without objectives and plans. Philosopher. So, in other words, like mountain climbers aiming to reach the mountain top, they have preserved on their path. Youth says, of course. Philosopher. But is that really the case? Isn't it that these people have lived each and every instant of their life here and now? That is to say, rather than living lives that are en route, they were always living here and now. For example, the person who had dreamt of becoming a violinist was always looking at pieces of music and concentrating on each piece and on each and every measure and note. This is so profound and beautifully answered, right? कि अगर आपका एम है कि आपको करोड़ ऑफ मनी अर्न करना है, तो यू विल बी लुकिंग इनटू व्हाट एवर अपॉर्चुनिटीज यू आर गेटिंग ऑन द वे. You're not stuck with the 1 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore, 1000 crore. You will be looking at the small activities, small achievements, small money gains, small opportunities to gain more to reach there. So that is series, right? हमारे को एग्जाम देना होता है तो हम चैप्टर बाय चैप्टर लर्न करते हैं. चैप्टर के बाद जब हमारे को पता चल जाता है आज के दिन में हमने ये चैप्टर लर्न करना है, तो उससे भी शॉर्ट कट डाउन कर देते हैं. ओके, लेट मी लर्न दीज मेनी क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ एंड देन दीज मेनी क्वेश्चंस एंड देन दीज मेनी क्वेश्चंस. वी स्प्लिट द क्वेश्चंस इन स्लॉट्स. ठीक है. और उसके बाद भी व्हेन वी सिट टू स्टडी, we cannot study all the 5, 7, 10 questions that we are aiming at. We will study one question at a time. And if that one question is not done, how do we expect कि वो सारा syllabus का syllabus हो जाएगा by the end of the, whatever exam से पहले तक? This is beautiful. Youth, would they attain their objectives that way? Philosophy, think of it this way. Life is a series of moments which one lives as if one were dancing right now, around and around each passing instant. And when one happens to survey one surrounding, one realizes, I guess I have made this far. Among those who have danced the dance of the violin, there are people who stay the course and they become professional musicians. Among those who have danced the dance in the bar examination, there are people who become lawyers. There are people who have danced the dance of writing and have become authors. Of course, it also happens that people end up in entirely different places. But none of these lives came to an end en route. It is enough in one. It is enough if one finds fulfillment in the here and now in dancing. Okay, so it is basically about how we celebrate our small wins. So wow, I finished my one chapter today. Normally, I tell all my clients that they must maintain a victory log. When you have a victory log, you are each and every day writing your successes, and that helps you stay consistent. That helps you having a fulfilling and happy moments for your own sake. Hello, Pranavi. Thank you for joining in.
Ouch.
So the youth says, it's enough if one can dance in the now. And philosopher says, yes, with dance, it is the dancing itself that is the goal. And no one is concerned with arriving somewhere by doing it. Naturally, it may happen that one arrives somewhere as a result of having danced. Since one is dancing, one does not stay in the same place, but there is no destination. Pranavi, since you have just joined, I would like to tell you what we are reading about. We are reading about life is a series of moments.
Okay.
First we have read about that, wherein the author is saying that even if you see a linear line through a telescope, you will understand that it is a series of dots that form that linear line. Okay, so that is how the life is. It is made up of small movements that actually builds up towards the end. There are people who are always looking at the top of the mountain and they're just thinking that they have to reach there. But it never happens so. It happens only when you take the first step and the second step and the third step. And on the way, This one, the next chapter that we are talking about is live like you are dancing. When you are dancing, you are taking one step, one step, one step. It's like अगर आप violin की you want to become a big violinist as you grow up. It is saying कि आप अपनी violin की classes attend कर रहे थे. Wherever you saw music, you were intrigued into it. You know, you are understanding what is what, and you are going into all the depths of understanding how is the thing playing, right? So
Okay.
that is dot, 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 dot towards becoming the violinist. You cannot just aim to become a violinist and sit there and say कि हाँ भैया मैं violinist बन जाऊंगा. There are many a times when people feel very unsatisfied and unhappy just seeing the bigger goals they want to achieve, and they believe they feel disheartened in on the way of their life. And that is what Adlerian psychology also, tells that people who think of life as being like climbing a mountain are treating their own existence as lines. If there is a line that started the instant one came into this world and that continues in all manners of curves of various sizes until it arrives at a summit, and then at last you reaches at the terminus, which is death. It is also in the next few lines, it is also talking about how we, you know, actually, so when we are leading a life, it is not going to be a straight line. We will have pitfalls, we will have gains, we will be happy,
Yes.
be unhappy. So we cannot expect it to go just like, skyrocketing. So we
True.
have to be, very conscious about such things,
True.
right? So, hello, Rakhi. Thank you for joining in. So, youth says it's enough if one can dance in the now. The philosopher says yes, with dance, it is dancing itself that is the goal, and no one is concerned with arriving somewhere by doing that. Naturally, it may happen that one arrives somewhere as a result of having danced. Since one is dancing, one does not stay in the same place, but there is no destination. You, a life without a destination? Who ever heard of such a thing? Who would acknowledge such an unsteady life that bends whichever way the wind blows? Philosopher, the kind of life that you speak of, which tries to reach a destination, may be termed as kinetic dynamic life. By contrast, the kind of dancing life I'm talking about could be called an energial, actual, active state life. Youth says kinetic, energial, philosopher. Let's refer to Aristotle's explanation. Ordinary motion, which is referred to as kinesis, has a starting point and an end point. The movement from the starting point to the end point is optimal if it is carried out is as, I think, efficiently and as quickly as possible. If one can take an express train, there is no need to ride the local one that makes every stops. Youth. In other words, if one's destination is to become a lawyer, it's best to get that there as quickly or as efficiently as we can. Philosopher, yes. And the road one takes to get to that destination is in the sense that one's goal has not yet been reached, incomplete. That is kinetic life. Okay. Youth, because it's halfway. Philosopher, that's right. Energia, on the other hand, is a kind of movement in which one is now forming in what has been formed. Youth,
Karishma, where is that actually? I'm not able to get it.
here. So the youth says, what is now forming is what how has been formed. Philosopher. One might also think of it as a movement in which the process itself is treated as an outcome. Dance is like that, and so is the journey. You. I'm getting confused. What is about a journey? I'm also confused actually. Philosopher. What kind of goal is the act of going on a journey? Suppose you are going to go on the journey to Egypt. Would you try to arrive at the Great Pyramid of Giza as efficiently and quickly as possible and then head straight back home by the shortest route? One would not call that a journey. You should be on a journey the moment you step out of your home, and all the moments on the way to your destination should be the journey. Of course, there might be circumstances that prevent you from making it to the pyramid, but that does not mean you did not go on a journey. That is inertial life. Wow, I like that. That is basically about enjoying every moment of the journey. अगर आप इजिप्ट जा रहे हो उसके अंदर आप घर से बाहर निकले हो, the excitement, the being in the now and here and enjoying every step of the moment rather than just going, oh, so I am more of the above wala, the kindness thing. If I need to go to the mall and get some my footwears, I'll go to the shop directly of the footwear shop, I'll buy it and I'll come back home. Mera ho gaya. And my kids are like, oh, let's go to the mall. They will step out. Oh, wow, what a lovely weather. And then they will sit in the car, they will enjoy, they will put on music, and they will reach the mall. Oh, wow, this is a new store. Let's go. Let's see what is in there. They will explore every little thing before they reach towards the chappal ki dukan. And that is the journey that is talking about. Not कि मैं एक मतलब मेरे मेरे यहाँ पे ऐसे घोड़े के साइड पे जैसे ऐसे लगाया होता है वो नहीं लगा हुआ है, राइट? आई एम अ ह्यूमन. I should be enjoying the process of achieving whatever I'm desiring to achieve in life. So if you say कि अगर I want to become a coach and मैं ये देखी जा रही हूँ मेरा 1 करोड़ कब होगा, मेरा 1 करोड़ कब होगा, and उसकी वजह से I'm not even enjoying that first 100 rupee I've earned and the process in which I am evolving. People who are coming in my connection are evolving, and all the small and bigger wins. It's going to be a very harsh journey. Journey nahi hogi shayad. Maybe I might drop out. That is why before Pranavi you came in, I was telling about how I tell everybody who comes to my coaching system that अपना एक victory log तो बना ही लो, because when you count on your victories every single day, that keeps you in a boosted energy. That gives you a movement to reflect in actually दिन में सारे दिन में आपने किया क्या. Otherwise days go by and you do not even know कि हमने किया क्या.
True. Exactly.
So the youth says, I guess I'm not getting this. Weren't you refuting the kind of value system of aiming for the mountaintop? What happens if you liken energial life to the mountain climbing? Philosopher. If the goal of climbing a mountain were to get on the top, that would be a kinetic act. Yes. Yeah. To take it to the extent, to take it to the extreme, it wouldn't matter if you went to the mountaintop in a helicopter, stayed there for 5 minutes or so, and then headed back to the helicopter again. Of course, if you didn't make it to, एक मिनट यहाँ से पढ़ती हूँ, sorry. Of course, if you didn't make it to the mountaintop, that would mean the mountain climbing expedition was a failure. However, if the goal of mountain climbing itself and not just getting on the top, one could say it was energy. In this case, in the end, it doesn't matter whether you make it to the mountaintop or not. Okay. The youth says that sort of argument is ridiculous. You have fallen into the completely self-defeating contradiction. Before you lose face before the whole wide world, I would cut through your shameless nonsense once and for all. Wow. Yeah, philosopher. Oh, I would be much obliged. Well, but yes, we get the point that the philosopher is trying to, convey here. How, since we have been around with multiple coaches, all the coaches tell us कि जितना बड़ी भी बड़ा आपका goal हो, start with the small, small steps and then reach there. On the way, you should be enjoying the process rather than just aiming to reach somewhere. Aiming to reach somewhere, जब तक आप वहां पे पहुंचोगे, I'm sure that you will be having somewhere else to be reached. So it's better that, enjoy the process of life and yeah. Anybody wants to share anything if you understood anything? Because you all have, entered the room when I was actually reading something. But yes, your views are most welcome. Let's hear it from, because Pranavi joined first, I'll check with Pranavi. Yes, Pranavi, let's hear it from you.
Yeah, what the author is trying to say is, in short, just be aware of everything and take things in a beautiful way. Anyhow, you have to reach to that point. You have the clarity of where to go and all that. But then at times in that, I mean, he what he means to say is don't take things too seriously. Too seriously in such a way that you're forgetting about the moment you're don't be that serious about the goal. I mean, you have so many beautiful things on the way. Just be aware of it, observe it, and rejoice everything. And last but not least, that's absolutely okay if you may not reach the goal. But
At
at least,
least
I
enjoy
mean,
the.
yes, yes. And that even you need to be blessed to enjoy those things also. I mean, after getting to a certain maturity rate, now I'm feeling happy that, okay, this is the one I'm supposed to enjoy. I mean, at a certain age, we will not know, like when we were children or something like that. But yeah, now I feel that even we need to pay gratitude for that too. Yeah,
Wonderful.
that's it.
Thank you, Pranavi, for sharing that. I still remember that, my daughter loves to go for walks, the youngest one. And whenever she wants to talk something, she would ask me, ki, Mama, chalo, walk pe chalte hain. And there are times when she would like to go around the blocks. There are times when she wants to go around in the park. I have a park facing house. तो जब हम पार्क में जाएंगे ना तो she will touch all the plants. Hello, कैसे हो तुम? कैसे हो? And then she's so happy. She's so much in now for every flower, every leaf, and any squirrel that is going around and everything. She was so curious कि हाय देखो कितनी enjoy कर रहे हैं. हाय देखो ना. And I'm like, yes, beta, I'm also watching. I'm also soaking in it. And she's like, बड़ा मजा आता है. Let's come to the park only. That is how. So there are two things happening. Walk was the aim, but I did not make the 100,000 steps karo. While I was enjoying the beauty around, it was so much easier for me to do the aim, to achieve the aim as well. Right? All right. Let's hear it from you, Rakhi.
I just logged in very late. I missed the context, but whatever you are saying is so true and so right. And I don't have my own thought process in this because I joined very late. I'm so sorry about that. I was in Shruti's call. So, मैं connect कर नहीं पाई with the statement and everything. But whatever you have shared and Pranavi has shared, I'm totally in agreement with what comments you have made. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. And Komal ने तो और ही late join किया था when we ended the chapter. So Komal, would you like to share something?
Yeah, for me, only last line was there when I entered. You were reading about the only the one line I just heard. Maybe that
जिसमें youth तो लड़ ही रहा था.
I'm youth sometime and I'm struggling to understand life and everything, question, answers.
That's good actually. That is how you get the clarity as well.
Yeah.
जिसके पास क्वेश्चन ही नहीं होगा,
हाँ,
जिसके पास आर्ग्यूमेंट ही नहीं होगा किसी चीज का, वो क्या ही करेगा, उसको क्या
दैट
ही
इज अ
आंसर
जर्नी,
मिलेगा।
टोटली जर्नी। नहीं तो फिर तो आप आए और गए।
ओके।
मतलब वो भी ठीक है, वो भी एक कभी लाइफ टाइम होगा कि आपको सब पता है ऑलरेडी। तो बट दिस टाइम वी आर इन क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स एंड सीकिंग मोड।
All
या
right. Thank you anyway for joining in. That shows that you wish to join.
हाँ, I did not get the track of time that already should log in. I was just scrolling mobile. I was not too busy. I was just indulged in writing messages back. There are so many backlogs. When we open a WhatsApp, we'll have to reply so many. मतलब करते करते वो time सबको
Yeah, you don't
इसी
have to, you choose to do it.
how we choose to, yes, कि gratitude or back answer to someone when we just check those
Yes.
everyone, like I message you whatever I needed to. But yeah.
It's okay.
And I actually like that joining the dots. I mean, we know all this, but then at times we need to repeat few things for ourselves so that, when we lose a few hopes on a particular goal or something like that, then we can just go back and try joining those dots, those minute things which would be helpful for to achieve the goal.
Actually ना इसीलिए victory log बनाना बहुत जरूरी है।
How
जब
do you
जब
make that?
So you have to just pen down 5 successes for the day,
Okay.
every day, whenever.
Okay.
So and what it does is, so I have this big journal. ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
इसके अंदर
Mm-hmm.
अभी मैं आई एम ऑन अगेन, आई कीप ऑन डूइंग इट 90 days का, एंड नाउ आई एम अगेन ऑन डे 35,
Oh,
डे
that's
थर्टी
really
फाइव पे
awesome.
अगेन, एंड दिस डे 35 पे भी आई एम राइटिंग अबाउट द 5 सक्सेसेस दैट आई हैड टुडे
You're
एंड
doing
द
it for
डे,
90 days?
यस।
Oh, good, good.
So the day I feel demotivated, the day I feel कि बस हो गया, आज नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे, I go back and read them. And I'm like, हाय
Can you,
भाई।
I'm so intrigued to know like what kind of wins or successes you write for the day. For example, like
लो अभी बताती हूँ। For today, I have just finished for today, and what I have written is कि I was we have a Rise and Shine Summit happening this weekend on 23rd of March. तो I had lots of work, सारा creative काम मैं कर रही हूँ, तो I had to make the standees, I had to make the पीछे वाला banner, and then I had to I'm making a workbook to give to all the participants, and ऐसे से करके 5 7 10 चीजें सब कुछ डिजाइन करना था, 10 गुडी बैग में जो कुछ जाना था सब कुछ डिजाइन करना था, बिकॉज इट हैड टू गो फॉर प्रिंटिंग टुडे और एल्स इट वी वोंट हैव इट इन आवर हैंड on Sunday. So today's my biggest win is that I completed all of it. I have shared the PDF with the person with whom I was supposed to share so that it goes for printing. Now I'm so relaxed. That gives me such a big joy. I have successfully conducted both the sessions for book reading club today as well, besides being extremely busy in doing all of it. I could have missed
Wonderful.
on it.
Really
I
awesome.
I did not missed out on posting on my social media despite of all the chaos that I had been facing all day. I did not miss out on talking to my mom. I spoke to her. I fed my family with homemade food all day long. I did, so these small things, when you keep on adding, आपके पास 5 नहीं 10 भी मिल जाएंगे।
Now you could understand the efficiency one can do.
हाँ, मैंने ये भी लिखा है कि आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट आई कैन डू एंड अचीव सो मच मोर इन अ डे। आज पता
हम्म,
चला, नहीं तो आई
कि
यूज्ड
ऐसे
टू
आपको
थिंक
तो,
कि यार
हाँ, नहीं तो
5
नॉर्मली मदर को फोन कर लिया वो सब था, बट ये नहीं पता था एक्स्ट्रा लॉग भी आ गया, वो भी कर लूंगी।
and then
दैट
I
इज
did not miss out on any of those things. I did not miss out on my,
awesome.
ये DMIT का जो मेरे एडवांस ट्रेनिंग में ले रही हूँ, I did not miss out on that as well. I did that
Oh,
as well. I wished all the people who जिसके आज बर्थडे थे उनको भी स्पेशल मैसेज सबका अलग अलग बना के भेजा। I
wow.
did not miss out on anything. एंड माय हस्बैंड इज लाइक, ये पागल हो गई है काम करके। आई एम लाइक, खाना मिल रहा है ना आपको, कम
हाँ
सिट।
मतलब सब कुछ हो गया ना, कुछ मिस ही नहीं हुआ।
द
सुपर
ओनली
वुमेन
थिंग,
टुडे।
नहीं, आई मिस्ड ऑन समथिंग। I missed on. I did not go for walk today. I could not
Hmm.
complete my these walk steps. I'm doing
Yeah.
face reading course. उसका मैंने वीडियो भी देखा आज सुबह मैं अपना बच्चे को भेज के normally what I do, I knew I had to do so much. So normally when I send my kids to school, I will sleep for 2-3 hours because I sleep late at night, तो मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं होती है. I did not sleep at that time. I made sure मेरे बच्चे 7 बजे अगर जा रहे हैं तो 7 से 8:30 बजे तक मेरे को फेस रीडिंग की बुक जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, वीडियो देख रही हूँ, वो दोनों थोड़ा थोड़ा देखना ही है, so that I have a win.
Very
Winning
nice.
is
I mean,
very
that
important.
thing, yeah.
Even if I take this much of action, I am taking action is a win for me.
True. You had to take everything ना कि जो जो करना है मुझे.
Consistency and the spirit ki, yes, I feel good. I achieved
Some days this happen when we have those targets. तो मुझे भी पता है कि अगर लिखा हो ना कि ये सब करना है, and you know you have to tick all those things, and you know this is the time, then मतलब कर पाते हो. Definitely I know कि टारगेट दे दिया, but it would be so good कि हाँ रोज ही आप ऐसा कर रहे हो.
एक ना
You
आदत बन जाती है जीतने की. हाँ, I
हाँ.
missed out on few things. I wanted to announce my own masterclass, personal Rise and Shine से अलग. I did not do that. I was thinking कि I will create some content for that. I did not do that. So अगर मेरा ये वाला था तो I said कि चलो personal वाला को अभी छोड़ो, Rise and Shine होने दो, अगले हफ्ते 2 कर देंगे. It's okay.
हम्म.
So you have to sometimes prioritize something else.
हाँ, so many things got done ना. फेस रीडिंग वाला एक्स्ट्रा था. बहुत कुछ एक्स्ट्रा था जो
What
आप
is
कहते
this
चलो.
face reading, Karishma? Do you really believe that? I mean, see, looking at the face features, you can guess something or something like that?
नहीं, there is a scientific all of it. There is also
Oh,
Shastra which talks about it.
oh, interesting.
Same like astrology, मतलब many people do not believe in it, but that is a kind of science अगर
And
मानो तो.
yesterday in one of the sessions, I don't know, in the evening session or in the morning session, I was telling that, even the fingerprints जो होते हैं, do you know कि वो कभी change ही नहीं होते हैं. जो आपकी मम्मा की वॉर्म से लेके आए हो वही आपकी उंगली जल भी जाएंगी तभी भी वही सेम फिंगरप्रिंट्स रहने वाले हैं.
I
And
heard fingerprints will change as we age.
ना, नेवर चेंज, नो मैटर व्हाट. जिंदगी में आप एक बार किसी को फिंगरप्रिंट्स दे दोगे ना, जो है वो वही रहने वाला है. सो योर फिंगरप्रिंट्स टेल द
आई थिंक वो लाइंस चेंज हो जाती है पाम की, जो हमारे अंदर लाइंस हैं.
पाम की ये चेंज होती हैं.
लाइंस.
दिस पोर्शन चेंजेस
हाँ.
बट द टिप्स
फिंगर
ऑफ योर फिंगर्स नेवर चेंज.
वो हो सकता है
Oh,
फिंगर.
yeah, they're called as some chakras, and a few fingers have those chakras, and the other fingers don't have, or something like that, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And that
Okay.
is the DMIT test जिसकी मैं आजकल एडवांस ट्रेनिंग ले रही हूँ.
Oh, ho, ho,
That
ho.
that talks about the inbuilt traits that you have as a person. What
Okay.
are your acquiring styles? You understand that from there.
Mm-hmm.
Every person is different. क्या personality है आपकी वो इनसे पता चल जाता है. So this is very essential. It is very important that you get this done for your younger kids. Younger kids ले कराओगे ना तो you will know कि किस चीज को आपको अपने बच्चे में ज्यादा पॉलिशिंग करनी है, so that जो अच्छा है उसको पॉलिश करोगे तो it will become diamond. अभी कोल को पॉलिश करते रहोगे तो वो कोल कोल ही रहने वाला है. कोल को थोड़ा तोड़ ताड़ के अगर डायमंड हल्का सा दिख रहा है, उस दिखते हुए डायमंड को पॉलिश करोगे तो वो जल्दी डायमंड हो जाएगा. That's how it is. And I'm super excited. I'm like, I've got the instrument as well of it. I'm trying my own fingerprints and my kids' fingerprints. अच्छा अच्छा ये सब है तुम्हारे. So it's a very beautiful science. That one and the face reading as well. तो इस महीने में अच्छे से जोर शोर से उसमें लगी हुई हूँ. But then now this week is
Surely will get it done मतलब sooner. I'll
So
also.
how does it help in healing, face reading and fingerprint reading?
how
In
does it
career
help
also
in
it can help you. Career if you want to choose, it can help you choose your path.
face reading generally helps you wherein you उसके अंदर so there are times when you meet people you don't understand who they are, how they are. You watch them, you look at their faces and you know कि अच्छा भाई मेरे को उसके साथ कितने कनेक्शन में रहना है. How far do you want to go with this person? Whether you want to actually surround yourself with such a person or not. Also, while getting married to somebody, it will help you. While hiring a teammate, while hiring your own team, it will help you. So, I don't know. वैसे भी मेरे को मतलब ऐसे it was very interesting, you know. This topic was very interesting. अरे वाह, face handwriting analysis सुना है. I did handwriting analysis as well. अभी face writing से भी पता चलता है. Like wow, this is good. Without even asking somebody for their handwriting, I know about them. What a beautiful art, yeah. So that's
वेरी
that.
ट्रू
These are the
बिकॉज पाम के लिए आपको हैंड का पता होना चाहिए. हैंड राइटिंग यू विल आस्क. फेस का वो पता है, पूछना ही कुछ नहीं है कि सामने
मुझे
ही
तो
दिखता
पता ही
है.
नहीं. मेरे को तो पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. आजकल मैं I've gotten into मैं जिस जिस जो जो पढ़ती हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा उसके बारे में फिर मैं अपने घर वालों के चेहरे इतने ध्यान ध्यान से देख रही होती है. देन माय किड्स आर लाइक क्या देख रहे हो. देखो तो ये सब कैसा चल रहा है तेरा. एंड देन दे लाइक चलो बताओ. हमने कभी याद नहीं है मुझको. अभी हैव टू स्टडी. पूरा कोर्स खत्म हो जाएगा देन ओनली आई विल बी एबल टू गेस दिस. एंड आई हैव टू राइट एन एग्जाम फॉर इट एज वेल सो दैट आई गेट द सर्टिफिकेशन टू डू इट. तो but it's beautiful. So every single day, this is how I mark
Wonderful
my wins.
inspiration. Yeah, it's a good inspiration for us कि कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो और क्या क्या कर रहे हो. Yeah, all the things you are doing and otherwise also time management thing basically.
So seeing Karishma, now I'm going to write all the 5 successful things which I've done for today. Maybe I may not get 5, I may get 1 or 2.
नहीं 5 मिल जाएंगे. You were breathing, your breath,
Amazing.
you're living, you had your food is also a win. There are so many people who cannot even have their food. If you don't have
वो
anything
तो
to
है.
come.
True, true.
क्या बोल रहे हो राखी? क्या बोल रहे हो?
No, it's amazing that you have that consistent habit of writing every day.
हाँ. वो I have now made my this thing identity. कहते हैं ना build your identity. Work on your
Hmm.
identity. I have built my identity around whatever I commit to. I stay
Hmm.
consistent.
Hmm.
Commitment and consistency. Whether I have anybody in the room or not. Pranavi knows. She
Hmm.
was the first one to join. I was alone doing the reading and
Yes.
explanation.
Yes.
Hmm.
And I have seen that many a times. Like just if I'm 5 minutes late or something like that, you never wait for anything. You just with a lot of that's called as consistency. And you read
That
it
is
with
that.
very high energy levels, Karishma. With or without presence of any people around, that's really a good job.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, even I noticed
I
that.
also know that Karishma is implementing whatever she's learning from all the coaches, not just hearing it out.
So
Hmm.
in the Sunday session, in the Sunday this Growth X weekend I have started. उसके
Yeah.
अंदर Saturday को I did recordings. Sunday को while recording, in the middle of the session, this fellow had joined and he said कि Karishma, if you record it and it goes out on YouTube and everything, my personal things are going to go out. I don't want this place to be that. Then and there, जब उसने बोला, then and there I dropped, close the recordings. Then
Oh.
and there. And I told him, आज के बाद नहीं होगा. आप बोलो, बिंदास बोलो क्या बोलना चाहिए.
नहीं, आज के बाद रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं करना.
I'm not going to record the Growth X weekends because we are not reading book there anymore.
Okay.
We are
What is that? Growth? What is that?
Growth X weekends.
So who came? I missed out. Actually,
मतलब वो
Saturday
क्या
one I
करते हैं?
came na.
What do you
So what
actually
you?
discuss in that? Actually, Karishma, before your session was done, I have attended that Rise and Shine. And that when I was about to attend yours, this thing, my guests have come home. So I didn't had a choice to
So what do
attend.
you do on the weekends, Karishma?
In the Growth X weekends, every member, whosoever has come on the screen with us, everybody will share their own learnings.
I'm now feeling I
When time.
missed out. I thought I'll see the recording of Sundays.
Sunday की तो नहीं मिलेगी. Saturday की I'll upload soon.
Yeah, I was there on Saturday already. I was there. So I thought Sunday का चलो आज रहने देते recording देख लेंगे. And see the
Sunday
magic
की
now.
half recording is there. Only half of it is there. I'll put it on YouTube. I'll put it.
हाँ.
I asked that person, I asked him, is it okay for you if whatever I have recorded, I
हाँ.
put it on the YouTube so that people at least know what we do there? He's like, okay. I'm like, what?
Hmm.
आप कौन सा
So
इतना
what you
मतलब
do exactly? When do you meet and what do you do in that session?
We are going to meet consistently at 1 p.m. No time shifts are going to happen now.
Hmm.
अर्लियर जब बुक पढ़ रहे थे तो आई यूज टू टेक कंसेंट कि 10 बजे मिल रहे हैं, 4 बजे मिल रहे हैं, 1 बजे मिल रहे हैं, जब मिल रहे हैं सब मिल लेंगे. Now it's going to be consistently 1 p.m. every weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And whatever you have learned throughout the week, whether it
Hmm.
is from a book, from a podcast, from conversation with somebody, while watching a movie, kuch click
Mm-hmm.
kar gaya, while, attending some kind of a session, whatever you have
Mm-hmm.
learned, you come there,
Hmm.
you share.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
when you share, you cannot share just like that. You have to first revise and then you will share.
Hmm.
That is going to build massive this thing. And जब आप
Hmm.
आ रहे हो रूम में, तो you're not only telling what you have learned, you are
Mm-hmm.
gaining knowledge from multiple other people.
Other learnings also.
तो
Yeah.
it is like it becomes 10x कि भाई जितने लोग
Hmm.
उन सब की मतलब अगर 4 लोग हैं तो 4x तो हो ही गया ना नॉलेज. एंड देन यू
Mm-hmm.
गो एंड इम्प्लीमेंट, यू डिस्कस कि हाँ अभी ये पता तो चल गया, अब इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करनी है अपनी लाइफ में,
Mm-hmm.
एंड स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग. There were things that we discussed in the last session around this person जो तुम कोमल सैटरडे को सेशन में थी, he was telling about coaching. He is doing very
Hmm.
good in coaching industry and he was telling so many things and it was like, oh God, मैंने तो notes ही नहीं बनाए. I'm glad that I have the recording this time, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, Rajiv ji
in the
shared na, you
future.
are talking about Rajiv
Who
ji.
can attend this, Karishma? Anyone can attend?
No, so in fact, the book reading club in itself is also a paid membership.
Mm-hmm.
And when you come into the book reading club or the Growth Hacks weekend, आपको you have the access to attend any of the sessions. 2 बजे का करो, 10 बजे का करो, 10 the weekend session करो. It is
Mm-hmm.
open for everybody. ये जो
Mm-hmm.
book reading का session है, I put it somewhere थोड़े थोड़े दिनों बाद कभी कभी कहीं so that okay चलो let me pull out some people, at least if they're interested they can get into the paid version of it.
Mm-hmm.
That's
So
how.
how much you are charging? Is it subscription based?
Yes, it is a 9.99 per month subscription.
Acha, okay. What all you include in that? Book reading plus GrowthX.
Yes.
Okay. So are you teaching anything in there or just the sharings?
In the Growth Hacks weekend, we are just sharing and we are learning for our own
Hmm.
selves.
Hmm. Okay. Great.
ठीक है,
Nice
teacher.
to know. Yeah.
And yeah. All right. On that note, anybody wants to share anything or tell anything?
Were you about to share whatever was discussed, something like you were you about to say Sunday thing? No?
I was just saying कि हाँ, I'm going to from next Sunday, next weekend, I'm going to sit with the pen and paper to make actually notes because recording तो होने नहीं वाली है.
Only
So
Sunday or Saturday is also now no recordings.
Saturday and Sunday will be no recordings. Book reading club will go as it is because you guys need recordings. Sometimes you miss out on it. So I'll provide those recordings.
Like chapters. And moreover, you already told, na, you are not sharing publicly wala link
नहीं.
YouTube. That was just for members.
YouTube पे only first 5 sessions of any book will be open. All
Yeah.
the other are closed. वो
And
आप
normally,
जो enroll
एक private link you are sharing with that private hyperlink only. So
Yes.
that was fine.
Yes.
Hmm.
Amazing work. Like I'm so impressed. अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मैंने तो सोचा कि 15 मिनट ही होगा शायद अभी ज्वाइन करूं या ना करूं कि रहने देते हैं कल देखते हैं. All these thoughts had come. Then I thought ठीक है like I'll just go. I'm not means वो सेशन तो खत्म हुआ था जो मैं ज्वाइन करी थी. मैंने कितना भी 1-2 लाइन मिलेगा बट ज्यादा ही मिल गया आज. It's a nice thing that you have done, Karishma. Like I'm so impressed.
Thank you.
Lovely,
Thank you. It
lovely,
means a
lovely.
lot. Thank you so much.
And more than learning, like you have implemented a lot of it, whatever you are learning, छोटा मोटा जो भी आप कहीं से भी सीखा है उसको implementation में डाल रहे हो, and that is the real growth actually. Knowing and
so
not doing is not knowing के
I have a
बराबर.
person who comes to me to learn coaching, and that
Mhm.
girl is telling me, ये हो गया, अरे I realized. So I gave her some questionnaire to do for herself to understand what kind of a person she is and
Hmm.
everything. And she's like, oh, I realized this and this and this. And I was like, oh, मैंने तो कभी इस बारे में सोचा ही नहीं. And then now I told her how to do the
Let me tell you,
Instagram.
1-to-1 जो coaching रहता है, even I am experiencing this with my clients. Whatever the problem they come with, when you solve that problem, that is a healing to you, either healing or learning. वो तो पक्का है.
And then this
Amazing.
girl who has come to me, she is like, she's bilkul raw. She's an
Hmm.
engineer, but
Hmm.
she's raw for the coaching this thing. And
Hmm.
I have coached her for her own personal growth earlier as well as a one-on-one client of mine.
Hmm.
And she was talking to me, and then she's like, oh, Karishma, when I was writing about this, I realized I have also healed myself on this. And that is how I'm going to heal other people. I'm like, wonderful, beautiful. And so many things in your own being comes out of, your heart when you start actually getting inside of yourself.
एक चीज तो मैंने कोचिंग से व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड कोचिंग अदर्स, इसमें से ये सीखा है मैंने
Self
कि
growth.
हाँ, रिफ्लेक्शन जब भी करते हो आप किसी चीज का रिफ्लेक्शन, बैठ के आपके विंस क्या थे, आपके लर्निंग्स क्या थे, वंस यू डू दैट, स्टार्ट डूइंग इट जस्ट 1 क्वेश्चन और 2 मिनट्स और 20 मिनट्स, आपका ग्रोथ हो ही जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
1% तो बेटर रहेगा ये लास्ट वीक से दिस वीक. So this is what I have understood. Yeah,
I
amazing.
also make sure that I always write every single day, what is it that I'm going to improve on tomorrow? This is one question I always answer every day. कल क्या improve करना है आप?
फिर आपको याद रहता है डे में?
लिखा है ना बाबू.
Okay, in front somewhere, wherever you are.
ये this diary remains on my table.
Yeah.
उठते बैठते जिस दिन मेरे को लगे ना मैं भूल जाऊंगी, उस दिन मैं इस फोन के अंदर फोटो खींच लेती हूँ.
क्या लर्न करना है, क्या मतलब एनीथिंग, व्हाटएवर कम्स अप.
उसके अलावा ये जर्नल रहता है.
इज इट लाइक टास्क और यू आर जस्ट
ये
राइटिंग?
टास्क जरूर करने हैं. पूरा वीक ऑलरेडी प्लान है.
Wow, nice.
Nice.
Since when you started doing this, Karishma? This activity?
ये वाला. So I used to do it ऐसे rough paper पे. ठीक है. And then my daughter, she was traveling from Hyderabad to Delhi, and she went to Miniso and she saw this planner. And she was like, oh, मम्मी इधर उधर चिट्ठे बनाती रहती है, फिर इधर उधर रखती रहती है. Let me get this for her. And then this got systematized. देखो ना, ये मेरा एक जर्नल खत्म हो चुका है, एंड दूसरे जर्नल में भी ये सारे लीव्स में फाड़ चुकी हूँ. These many weeks have happened. So it's a long time now.
Good. अच्छा है. ये प्रोडक्टिविटी के जो भी हैक्स जो रहते हैं, once you start implementing, it gives you result also, it gives you excitement also, and it's a kind of learning for future. Whenever it's not like if you learn this, situations won't come. Situations will come to see that whether you have learned it properly and you know whether to implement or not.
Absolutely. नहीं तो one day I was telling Komal only ये कौन से month का है. I have not written the month. February का. कि I'm not doing anything. ये February का पन्ना मेरा. I'm like, देखो ना कितना खाली खाली हफ्ता जा रहा है. I don't understand what is it. Why am I not doing anything? And all of a sudden, ये भी February का ही है. This started happening.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
बाबा रे. And now so I have like, I don't throw these leaves. I keep on telling myself, why यार? बड़ा
मतलब वो
काम है.
फेब में ही चेंज हो गया साथ के साथ ही. यू स्टार्टेड
Yes.
है ना इमीडिएटली कि वो खाली दिख रहा था और फटाफट नेक्स्ट पेज पे न्यू चेंज हो गया.
बिल्कुल.
यू
So
मेड
this
इट
was
लाइक
January end. This was January end. And this is February mid.
मिड. हाँ, फेब स्टार्ट हो गया ना, तो फेब में वो कंप्लीट किया सारा जो भी टास्क दिख रहा था.
So it was beautiful. मतलब
दिस इज 1 वीक का है ये. 1 पेज इज 1 वीक.
फर्क पड़ती है ना.
ओके, मंडे टू इट इज अ 1 वीक. आई थॉट मंथ का है पूरा एक पेज. दिस इज 1 वीक 1 पेज.
लिखाऊं पास से.
राइट, गॉट इट. एंड मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि नोटबुक आप ओपन करोगे ये सामने दिखेगा.
ये मेरा ऐसे ही पड़ा रहता है टेबल पे फोल्ड हुआ.
हाँ,
दिस इज द
दिस
ऐसे.
इज नाइस थिंग बिकॉज जो क्लोज हो जाती है ना चीज व्यू से आउट, तो इट इज आउट ऑफ माइंड. दिस इज लाइक व्यू. व्यू इज इम्पोर्टेंट. मतलब कई बार ईटेबल्स भी होते हैं, डैड वांट्स की व्यू में हो जो हेल्दी ईटेबल्स हैं.
Hmm.
Otherwise, he forgets. Like refrigerator, sometimes they don't want to look into it or पता नहीं view में चाहिए उनको. तो same way for these notebook thing. When I write in my notebook की, but I forget to check it और वो
तो
consistency
नोटबुक
नहीं
तो बंद हो जाती है ना नोटबुक को फिर वो when you
नहीं
come
बन.
back on your table only then you will remember it.
This one is better. I'll get it.
It is from Miniso. Miniso से ले लेना.
Yeah, Miniso है
They
ना?
have
This
very
is good.
beautiful journals.
True, I'll check there. That's
चलो.
good.
All right. Pranavi, do you want to share anything?
Uh, I should really appreciate for what you're doing, Karishma. If I try to do that, I feel that I'm somewhere in the jail or something like that. So I get so scared to work on that kind of schedules. But then majorly I work on different things, but not exactly scheduled as such.
Hey, this
I
is not so it's like it gives you a reason first of all to keep going. Second of all, it shows wow कितनी सारी चीजें कर ली. I won. Today was a beautiful day.
true.
And वो
How do
simple
you find your wins? You
स्मॉल
get to
टास्क
do
भी लिख
all of it.
सकते हो ताकि आपको ओवरवेल्म ना लगे. प्रणवी कैन डिवाइड जो 3 ही करने हैं उसको 5 में डिवाइड कर दो. स्मॉल.
No, I do many things, but then if I start scheduling that, no, somewhere I feel pressurized kind of thing.
I
But
don't schedule it. So
Mhm.
see, I don't schedule it कि मेरे को इतने बजे करना है. I just write कि पूरे दिन में जब मर्जी टाइम मिलेगा मुझे ही करना है. कैसे करना है I will see to it. And then if I'm not done, ये स्टेप्स वगैरह तो मेरे रात को भी बस के नहीं होते हैं. ये दिन में
True.
हो जाए तो हो जाएंगे. But if there is something that I need to learn, there are other things that मतलब मेरे को बैठ के जो करना है पढ़ाई करनी है कोई इंस्टा पोस्ट करना है कोई रील बनानी है कुछ करना है. I will not get up from this table अभी unless and until all my things are done.
Yes,
I will go to sleep only after that.
true. I
How do you
used to be
manage
a
your cooking,
passionate
yeah,
woman,
with all these
Karishma.
things?
Now, though, I'm not.
Karishma?
Yes, Rafi.
नहीं, how do you manage your cooking and house का सभी ये सभी तो इतना सारा है तुम्हारे लिस्ट में करने के लिए.
जिस दिन मेरे पास लिस्ट में कुछ नहीं होता ना मैं ये सब भी लिख देती हूँ मेरे को घर के काम करने हैं. So that I
Hmm.
fulfilled. The thing is towards the end when I go back to sleep I should be very happy. वाह आज तो बड़ा अच्छा दिन गया. My
नहीं,
only thing is that.
how do you manage your this thing household cooking और ये सब बाकी सभी चीजें?
And I believe that anything when you do with a focused mind does not take very long.
हम्म.
I have a वो जो चूल्हा है that is a 4 knobs वाला चूल्हा. I don't waste any my time. एक जगह दाल उबल रही है एक तरफ सब्जी बन रही है दूसरी तीसरी तरफ आटा गूंद रहा है अगर मिल्क बॉईल करना है तो वो भी चढ़ा हुआ है. एवरीथिंग हैपेंस साथ साथ. आई डोंट वेट कि हाँ दाल बन जाएगी तभी मेरी सब्जी बननी शुरू होगी. इट डजंट हैपन like that. And then I sit with my husband a lot. I sit with my kids a lot. Everything happens. But then वही ऐसे फोकस फुल फोकस के साथ.
Karishma, this is like a podcast going on.
इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो मेरा.
है ना? This is like podcast and you are really मतलब answering it and just kidding कि है ना उसमें you can answer these things कि how to manage time guiding people.
Maybe you can do a series on that.
I have told her to do on relationships also and now is this time management. She has got 2 topics. Then there will be DMIT, career path, 3 topics.
What? DMIT?
Yeah, she is
Long term
learning
क्या है उसका?
DMIT.
DMIT and psychometric test is done for the kids to understand what are their inner traits as well as the traits that they have acquired from the society,
Family. Hmm.
family, society, whatever.
You have so many topics, relationships, this one, time management, then DMIT, जो भी
और
आए,
बताओ
anything.
और है क्या? और है क्या बोलने के लिए?
Communication skills, कुछ भी आ सकता है.
I've
So many
studied a
things.
lot over these years.
Handwriting, you are saying, and then
हैंडराइटिंग
face reading
एनालिसिस
is
किया
there,
है.
5,
चाइल्ड
7.
साइकोलॉजी पढ़ी थी. पेरेंटिंग
Oh.
कोच भी हूँ मैं. एंड देन अभी मेरे दिल में एक नया उछाल आ रहा है कि मेरे को करियर काउंसलिंग सीखनी है.
करियर काउंसलिंग भी सीखना, पेरेंटिंग कोच
You
ऑलरेडी
won't
कर
have
लिया।
yourself
Actually,
in, na?
career counseling goes very well with you, I guess, Karishma,
Hmm.
because it works for our children and as well as career, right? I'm sorry, parental coach, I thought.
Yes,
Career
parent. So,
counseling.
yeah, child psychology was a very interesting subject for me, so I did that. Then I was like, child psychology कर दे तो parenting coaching भी सीख लेते हैं. उसके लिए भी certification आ गया. Then I'm like, oh, DMIT, wow, this is amazing. Then I did
हाँ,
it
रिद्धि
2
से
years.
किया क्या?
हाँ,
पेरेंटिंग कोच
क्या?
रिद्धि से किया?
नहीं,
रिद्धि से किया क्या?
no, no, no. I did it from deep parenting.
हम्म।
तो
हम्म।
सीखते जा रहे हो. कहीं ना कहीं यूज हो जाएगा, I'm sure.
नो नो नो, वॉट एवर यू आर लर्निंग फॉर श्योर डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं आपके कोचिंग में तो हेल्प हो ही जाएगा.
हो ही रहा
एंड
है.
गुड. हाँ, हो ही रहा है. सो दैट विल नॉट गो वेस्ट, बट ओनली जस्ट डोंट गो इन हॉरिजॉन्टल. बहुत अपने लाइक इफ यू स्प्रेड योर विंग्स टू फार ना,
हम्म.
जैसे आप बोलते हो फोकस नहीं हट जाता है एक चीज से. And then people will get confused whether to
क्या
come
नहीं,
to you
ठीक
for
है.
career coaching या parenting या book reading club. वो इसको सभी जगह आप like you
नहीं,
you
that
are.
is why you will never see anywhere written कि मैंने ये किया,
हम्म.
ये कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखा हुआ. It is only
हम्म.
by people who know it. कि ठीक
हम्म.
है बाबा ये किया है.
आउटसाइड के लिए आप क्या हो? पेरेंटिंग कोच हो या टीन पेरेंटिंग कोच हो? व्हाट कोच आर यू
For what?
फॉर आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड?
For
जब भी.
that, I am a life and a mindset coach.
अच्छा, ओके. सो आपने जेनरिक ही रखा है, यू हैव नॉट स्पेशलाइज्ड और
या बिकॉज लाइफ में
वहां पे.
सारा फुल ऑन जो
I
बिकॉज
believe that everything starts from thought.
हम्म.
For
सो ट्रू.
anybody,
या.
whether it is
या.
a parent, whether it is a child, whether it is me, or whether it is you, or whether it is my husband or my in-laws. सब के
हम्म.
सब यही
हम्म.
से ऑपरेट होते हैं. And that is why I love to work on the mindset of people.
गुड. नहीं, वो तो ठीक है. लाइक आई वाज जस्ट वंडरिंग कि आपने वो नीश का बोलते हैं ना, दैट यू हैव टू क्या बोलते हैं, नैरो डाउन योर नीश, और आपके डेमोग्राफिक्स पता होना चाहिए, तो ऐसा कुछ किया क्या?
हाँ वो सब पता है. But then
हम्म.
that's it. So it's like first level जो मैंने अपना level 1 डिजाइन किया है, it's about working on your own self.
हम्म.
ठीक है. Second level is working on your relationships, your communication skills, your emotional this thing, every
मास्टरी.
part
हाँ.
comes there. तो then जब आप अपने इमोशनली बैलेंस्ड हो, आप अपने साथ अलाइंड हो, एवरीथिंग इज देयर, देन यू वर्क ऑन द फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम फ्रंट. कि आपको वो उसके अंदर दैट विल बी माय समथिंग कॉल्ड डायमंड.
हम्म. अभी आपका कोर्सेस रिकॉर्डेड है क्या सभी?
आई डिड टू अचीव द फ्रीडम फिनिशर्स.
अच्छा, बट वो भेजने के लिए है क्या? लाइक नॉट इट.
अभी आई हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इट अगेन. वही मास्टर क्लास अगर ले ली ना तो सारा वो काम पहला शुरू हो जाएगा. देन ऑल दिस कैलेंडर विल बी फुल्ड विद दिस कि भाई रिकॉर्ड करना है, रिकॉर्ड करना है.
या हो जाएगा, हो
So
जाएगा.
let this
Yeah.
event rise and shine happen, and then we shall.
Is it ऑफलाइन इवेंट क्या, राइज एंड शाइन?
It is an offline event, and few people are joining from online as well.
ओके, गुड. कहाँ पे, दिल्ली में हो रहा है क्या?
Yes.
गार्गी इज ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम वेयर?
Gargi is in Delhi.
राखी कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन, यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन, एनीवन कैन.
राखी थोड़ी ना है, दिल्ली में थोड़ी ना है. She's in
नहीं,
Bangalore.
ऑनलाइन, ऑनलाइन एनीवन कैन ज्वाइन.
नो नो, आई एम इन चेन्नई फॉर एमएमआई.
Oh wow, nice,
आई
wonderful.
कैन.
दिस संडे.
What is MMI?
Millionaire mindset by Success Gyan.
Okay, okay. Is it a
So T.
workshop?
Harvester is the guy who has designed this
Who is that?
millionaire mind. T. Harvester.
Oh, yeah, I heard about him. Okay.
या, तो उनका है वो ये मिलियनेयर माइंड इंटेंसिव. वो तो एक जैस इट्स लाइक अ मास्टर क्लास, 3 दिन का होता है, वो मास्टर क्लास ही रहता है. एंड उसके बाद दे विल सेल दिस क्वांटम लीप.
So
वहां
are
पे
you
वो
going
लोग
to
पैसा
buy?
बनाते हैं.
तो
हाँ,
क्वांटम लीप लेने जा रहे हो क्या?
नहीं नहीं, मुझे तो फ्री टिकट
एंटरटेनर.
मिला था. नहीं नहीं, फ्री टिकट मिला था ना, सो आई एम यूटिलाइजिंग इट. रिवीजन हो जाएगा मेरा. एक बार ही हो गया है वो, एंड देन दिस टाइम इट विल बी फॉर रिवीजन.
I did it for the first time this January.
How was it?
Amazing.
अच्छा.
My
आपने
energy altogether have shifted since then only.
हाँ. Nice. Good.
Chalo, let's close this call.
Harsh.
We
Okay.
call each other.
Yes.
Thank you all. Thank you for
Thank
joining
you.
in.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good night, Karishma. Thank you
Good
to
Good
all.
night.
night. Good night.
Goodbye.
See
Good
you. Bye
night.
bye.
Stay
11:11.
blessed. Good night.
11:11.
Take care.
Bye bye.